welcome back, or if this is your first time here, I'm Kevin. You're watching Man Kitchen Recipes, and today I'm going to introduce you to my new little friend. Of course, according to my description or my title, you know what it is already, but I'm doing some baby back ribs today, so I got to get this closed and get it heated up. You'll see that video coming up soon. Anyway, so let me introduce you to my Uni Fria. Around, and there it is right there. Look at that little thing. Is that awesome or what? I'm sure you've probably seen videos on it. It cooks up a 12-inch pizza. This here is your smokestack. This is your hopper. As you can see, I've been using it. I'm going to show you my first pizza on here, but you put your wood pellets in there, put a little tumbleweed on there, let it light. This thing gets up to 850, 900 degrees. It's a pretty awesome little deal. It's dirty because we did about 4 pizzas the other night on Friday, but this video I'm going to show you, usually you see videos on the Neapolitan pizzas or the margarita pizzas where it's the fresh mozzarella sprinkled around on your pizza and some basil leaves, and those are good wood-fired pizzas and all, but can it really make a pizza with toppings? So I started it up, or when I started it up, I took a quick little video. Here, check this out. Okay, I got it started up. Let me just take the cover off and look at that flame. And that flame rolls right across the top of your pizza and gets it cooked up really nice. That's pretty cool, huh? From wood pellets. Sweet, huh? And I'm gonna have to get a bigger grill area. Let me just show you here. Got my whole grill area with all my other cooking pit bosses and griddle and everything else. So this is a new addition. My wife said, yeah, get it. So we got it, 250 bucks. Got it in the mail on Thursday. I got home a little late on Thursday. We did not make any fresh pizza dough. So as in the title, I'm gonna do a here it's Papa Murphy's, but it's a take and bake pizza. If you have one nearby, they do work for that. And like I said, Friday night, man, we did 4 pizzas up on it, and you just have to really give it a little bit of time between them. And they took a little bit longer because it needed to reheat, but we were impatient, so instead of a minute and a half, it took maybe a couple of minutes. So anyway, let me show you my take and bake pizza in its entirety right here. Okay, Uni Pizza, take 1. Okay, so since this was my first one, you are supposed to take that cover. There's a little hook here on the front you can hook it on. You'll see in a little bit. Anyway, you just put your pizza in there, and it takes, I do anywhere from 20 to 25 seconds. I've watched so many videos and guys just burn the heck out of them, so I'm real cautious about the time. You can always spin it more if you go too short, but yeah, 25 seconds later, here we go. Let's see what it looks like. See, I didn't hang my cover. I'll get used to it. So you just pull it out, and you'll turn it about a quarter turn, and it is warm, so be careful. Put it back in. Just like, see the flames coming over the top, then you put the cover on it, and I'll usually stand outside and count, 1001 all the way to 1020, 25, whatever, somewhere in that area. So yeah, take and bake. This is our first pizza, like I said. And you just 20-25 seconds. This is the pizza cooked in its entirety. There's no clips taken out of this. See, the dough is bubbling up. I didn't bring a fork out here. It is hot as I try to pop the little bubbles on it. So you cover it up. We're gonna go another 20-25 seconds. You can watch the timer or count along, whatever you want to do, but man, this thing is pretty amazing. It's small. It's only like 2 feet by 18 inches or 14 inches wide. It's really cool. So that's about 20, 23, 24 seconds. See, there's my first thing there. I remember to do it. Oh, look at that bubble. I didn't bring my fork, like I said, and those are hot, but I don't want to leave because you only leave it for 20-25 seconds. So this should be the final turn, about a quarter turn each time. And you really do need to turn it sooner than later because they will burn. If you watch any other videos, you'll see guys pulling them out and the whole back part is charred, which sometimes is okay, but man, I just want mine like this. Yeah, hot. Let me get it turned. Okay, this is our final turn. I thought that last one was, sorry. So, trying to get those bubbles popped. Friday night I did bring out a fork, so anyway, another 20 seconds. Like I was saying, I mean, wood-fired pizzas, sometimes they have a little burn on the crust, but you really don't want them charred. Charred is not good. All right, so about ready. 3, 24, let's do it. Okay, look at that. Mini pizza done in about 80 seconds. Okay, and here we go. I got it all cut up. Look at that. It's just perfect. And you can do a regular pizza, not just the, you know, little sprinkles of cheese. I mean, Friday night we loaded them up. But look at the bottom. This came out perfect. Okay, so there you have it. I did not do the taste test on the pizza, but I guarantee you it was delicious. And that was a take and bake pizza done on the Uni Fria. I didn't do an unboxing or any of that because when you get it, it comes in a box. You take it out of the box. These legs down here just fold open. You add your stack. You add, there's a little heat deflector plate that goes inside you add, and you just put your hopper stack on top. And that's how easy it is. There's really no sense in going through all the unboxing. And then on the top here, actually, it does have a lid. When you're done, you want to extinguish it, but it is also a scoop that you can use to scoop your pellets into your hopper. Right into here. So, yeah, Friday night, we had a blast. I made 4 pizza doughs, but we only used 3. My sister-in-law is gluten-free, so they actually got the take and bake gluten-free pizza. We did hers first so that it wouldn't get any flour on it. And even the gluten-free, I think I did that one for about 20 seconds per turn, and it came out really good and that fast. It's just incredible. I had mine loaded up with toppings. We did pre-cook our sausage that I put on there, but not the pepperoni or anything, or the Canadian bacon. I mean, it was loaded, had everything on it, but it did a great job. So I'm very happy with Uni Fria. I know, another addition to my whole outdoor cooking experience. I'll do a pizza every now and then. It's really quick, really fun, really easy. Everybody can have their own pizza with whatever they want on it. Now the 12-inch, I mean, my wife and I, the 12-inch is perfect. And in fact, on that last pizza, we actually had 1 piece left over. So you can make them smaller. It doesn't have to be 12-inch. You can make some little personal 8 or 10-inch ones for kids, and you know, everybody can make their own. It's just a fun little pizza maker. 250 bucks. I know it's a little pricey for some, but that is probably your cheapest pizza oven you can find out anywhere, unless you get like something that you can put into one of the smokers, which I did look into that, but I wanted the wood fire experience, and those wood pellets give you the wood fire taste. The fire comes up and over your pizza. Okay, there's a couple other things I'd like to mention. I'd like to give a shout out to Ricer at Dead Broke Barbecue. I watched his unboxing and cooking of his first pizza on that thing, and you know, Ricer, it convinced me to get it. Checked with the wife, like I said, and she gave me a thumbs up. We got it. Anyway, so shout out to Ricer at Dead Broke Barbecue. And I also wanted to mention too, I mean, it's small size, it's portable. You can fold up the legs. I do have the bag. The chimney and the hopper fit inside the bag. It only weighs maybe, I haven't weighed it, but I'd guess around 25 pounds. So just wanted to add that in. Anyway, I'll end it here. Welcome, Ooni Fria. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.